Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. This video is very important for all IMUCT aspirants. Any student who have passed from class 12th and who wants to join Merchant Navy, because this is a question from Sandeep Singh who has posted this question on one of the videos, and another student Nikhil Kumar has said same query. He is asking in the comment section, sir 6 दिन से YouTube पे सर्च कर रहा हूँ, I'm searching for the last 6 days on YouTube कि why is sponsorship important for joining Merchant Navy, and answer नहीं पता चल रहा है. And this is why this video is going to come up with this same tagline. तो please पहली बात आप समझिए, Merchant Navy if you want to join after class 12th, there are 3 ways. You join after doing diploma in nautical science, you join after doing BSc nautical science, or you join after doing BTech marine engineering if you want to become an officer or an engineer. Now if you want to go through BTech marine engineering, it's a 4-year course and your job is going to come after you join college. Like in normal engineering college, you join a college after 2 to 3 years. When your 3rd year, company comes for campus placement, then you prepare really work in the really well for the campus placement, and then you get selected. Similarly for BSc Nautical Science, you go to a college, you study over there for 3 years, then maybe from 2nd year and final year, companies come for campus placement. They ask you questions related to what you have studied in the last 3 years and similar to that thing, and then you get selected. Right now, in both BSc Nautical Science and BTech Marine Engineering, you have to be very careful joining which kind of college. Say in engineering, if you join IIT, you know that chances of getting a very good placement is very high. Chances of getting very good package is very high. But if you join a normal local college in your own city, district, then you know कि campus placement का there is no chance. Similarly, for BSc Nautical Science and BTech Marine Engineering, you join the colleges that are recommended by Merchant Navy Decoded. That is one thing that you have to understand. Or otherwise, we will tell you about all the college campus. That is why subscribe this channel and get all the information out here. Now, so for this you have got all the information. कौन सा college join करना है and campus placement will later. Now, what is sponsorship? Sponsorship means कि यहाँ पर था campus placement. You join college and after 3 years you get placed in company. In diploma in nautical science, sponsorship means by it is a 1-year course. First of all you get campus placement and then you join the course. कहने का मतलब ये हुआ कि sponsorship means you go to shipping companies, you get a placement first. By you go to a shipping company or you apply for a shipping company, say Anglo, Synergy, Scorpio, Great Eastern, Tom Tankers, right? You give their test, online test, interview, medicals. This company will select you right now itself and बोलो ये बच्चा हमारा हुआ, this boy is ours. So now you have a letter from the company that you are our cadet. That means you have been selected by them. So that means now you have campus placement and then you do the DNS course. Whether from, and you do the DNS course from the company's college or the college that is recommended by the company. Say Anglo कहती है, you go and join my college, Anglo Maritime Academy. Tom Tankers do not have their own college. They say go and join Tolani Maritime Institute and do from there. Make sense? But you do this DNS course. It's a 1-year course, and for that you also have to clear IMUCT and you have to get a good rank as well. Copied? So sponsorship क्या है? Sponsorship means getting placement, getting a job guarantee even before joining college. And that is only there for DNS, that is Diploma in Nautical Science. Why this is there? Because this is a 1-year course, and in Government of India has seen in the past that in this 1-year course many people did not get job in the past. So Government of India made a compulsory thing that if you are joining DNS course, you have to have a sponsorship. पहले job तब course, पहले job तब course. Because in the profession of Merchant Navy, if you don't have a job, then life is very difficult. मुंबई में जाओ धक्के खाओ, मुंबई में जाओ धक्के, इट्स नॉट इजी. आई होप यू हैव गॉट योर आंसर्स और आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि मर्चेंट नेवी स्पॉन्सरशिप इज योर लाइफ लाइन. कब लेनी चाहिए स्पॉन्सरशिप, उसके लिए अगला वीडियो देखिए ताकि आपको पूरी जानकारी मिल सके. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.